Hi, I'm Pete Mazzio, Certified Personal Trainer at Today Fitness. I'm going to go through a great overall abdominal circuit, which is going to work your upper and the lower abdominals as well as your obliques, your midsection. Okay? I'm not going to go through the whole routine right now in the interest of time, but typically most of these exercises, beginners are going to do about 10 repetitions, intermediates about 15 repetitions, and advanced roughly 20 repetitions. And I'll go through that as we go along. First exercise is a reverse crunch, keeping your hips on the ground. I like to put my hands on my abs so I can feel them working. Crunching your knees to your chest. You want to lock your knees throughout the whole exercise here. Next exercise is an L-sit raise. Get your body in an L position here. Putting your hands on the ground, covering your hips. I'm going to press my feet right up to the ceiling. And again, this one, beginners 10, intermediates 15, advanced doing 20. Next exercise is 4-count leg raise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay, and again 10, 15, and 20 on those. And then the flutter kick, alternating one leg up, one leg down. This is a 4-count exercise too, so we're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay, flutter kick's a good exercise used by the Navy SEALs to work their abdominals for those long ocean swims. After those 4, get a good stretch, point your toes, stretch your upper body. Usually about 5 deep breaths. Next part of the circuit, we're going to go cross leg crunch, crossing your heel to your knee. Then you're going to put this leg off the mat. And we're going to alternate. We're going to crunch for advanced 20, intermediates 15, beginners 10. Get all their repetitions on that leg, and cross to the other leg. Do the same thing the other side. Okay, after you finish 20 on that circuit, we're going to go with a cross reach. Basically, I like to pick a spot on the floor on the far wall and reach for it on one side and the other side. Another 4-count exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay, after the cross reach, they're going to go to an oblique crunch. Taking my knees to the side, shoulder still on the floor, other hand basically right behind your ear. You never want to pull on the back of your head when you're doing oblique exercises. Crunching up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, for this exercise, again 10, 15, and 20 for repetitions. Once you do on that on one side, I like to switch over and do the side crunches. Now for beginners and intermediates, you want to crunch your leg and your upper body up at the same time. For advanced, crunch both feet up in kind of a V side crunch. 1, 2, 3. Same thing with 10, 15, and 20 on the repetitions. Then you switch to the other side, back to the oblique crunch and the oblique raises. And then finishing up the middle part of the circuit with bicycle crunches. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2. And with those we're going to do 10, 15, and 20 as well. After the middle part, we're going to get another stretch. Again, about 5 deep breaths before we come into the last part of the circuit. Starting out with full crunches, pointing your toes, hands lightly behind your ears. 1, 2, 3. Once you finish the repetitions there, going to go to a one-leg crunch, keeping the left leg straight up in the air. The full repetitions on one leg before you switch over and hit the other leg. Next we're going to do an L-sit alternating crunch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. Once you finish those, our last exercise is a horizontal V cross. So we're going to go hands lightly behind your head here, get your body into a V position, and we're going to alternate crossing our feet horizontally as we're twisting our body. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3. And that's the circuit. Usually recommend with any abdominal exercises, it should be treated like any other exercise you do, 48 hours rest between exercises. Enjoy.